Today we're going to make mint whipping cream. So you're going to start with one 16-ounce container of heavy whipping cream, and you're going to put that in your mixer. You can use a hand mixer for this as well. If you've got a stand mixer like this, it makes it much easier. Then you're going to use 1 cup of powdered sugar. I'm going to pour that in. And then for our mint flavoring, we're going to use 1/2 a cup of green Creme de Menthe. This also comes in a clear version, but if you like the coloring, for the green coloring, use the green. So now we're going to mix that. I'm going to mix on high speed for about 90 seconds. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Now actually it took about 3 minutes to get this to the frothiness that I wanted it. It all depends on how creamy you want it. If you want it to be able to pour, or if you want to be able to scoop it onto your Irish coffee, any dessert. You can use it on any dessert. And I will show you here kind of what it looks like. It's kind of like a whipped topping, like a a Cool Whip consistency. So there you have it. You can also use any kind of flavoring. You can use almond. I use vanilla a lot for vanilla flavored whipping cream. So just experiment, play around, do whatever you like. But we like to use the for topping Irish coffee. Our favorite thing is to do the mint